The only thing that you can change is yourself, your perception and your condition. You can't quit, you can't give up, you just keep fighting, you just keep slogging. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Recently I made a video on mental harassment and I got a lot of comments down below. Some were saying inspiration sir, but there were a lot of people who wrote, and that was very rightly justified, कि no sir, we don't agree with you, this is not rightly done. And some people have rightly pointed out कि sir, culture matters, leadership matters. One of them was, he's working in Google right now, he has worked sales for 7 years. He told there is a big difference between how people in MNCs, in good companies, MNCs like Google treat people and how people are treated on board ship. Just now I got a message. This is from one of the boys. He has bought the Achievers package. I don't know his name and I can't reveal as well. He said, hello sir, good day. I am one of your Achiever package student and has been following you from the very beginning. I am on my first ship as Indian cadet. 2 months has passed and your Achiever package has really helped. I keep watching your YouTube video series and the recent one was about mental harassment. Few things I didn't find right in that video is that why I am just sharing my views and you have said at the end of the video कि please share your views, right? तो कहते sir, yes sir, you are right. Our senior has every right to shout at us if you make mistakes or don't know the concept. But at the same time, I have seniors on board ship who sometimes calmly tell me to find out and go see the pipeline. The difference is about how you treat so that someone will learn also and his morale will be up as well. I am saying all these things as I have both kind of seniors on board this ship. You are right when senior is shouting and questioning your work and concepts, but it is not right if that person is taunting you, humiliating you when you are eating in mushroom or when you are free after work. So in that video, your concept of mental harassment is not up to the point. You were justifying their mistreatment. Again, it differs from person to person. Some people are like that only, who only know to shout and get panicked and treat everyone badly, and some are very calm and composed, handle the situation in a good manner. At last sir, your quote, as everyone is good and I am bad, is also soft statement to justify other mistreatment and demoralizing your spirit sometimes. We all agree to disagree. So these are just my thoughts with only 3 months of sailing experience. So maybe I am wrong. Thank you sir again for reading this. Jai Mata Di. I have sent him a long audio, but again I have to come to a point. See guys, किसी का भी again, right now most of my viewers are people जो कि juniors हैं, junior engineers हैं, 4th engineers, 3rd engineers, right? There is a difference between a good leader and a bad leader. Of course, these videos are going to come later, which will be for these people out there. If we have a good leader on board ship who takes everybody together, he keeps the morale up, he keeps everybody's efficiency up, he keeps everybody's performance up, and the ship is a great atmosphere to be at. Then there are bad leaders who taunt you, who humiliate you, they shout at you, they bark at you, they do anything whatsoever they want to. They are bad leaders. And to be very honest, I have sailed on board ship and I have sailed with all these kind of people. Right? So sir, why again now question comes, sir, now you know that there are bad leaders, why are you justifying their act? Well, see, there is a big miscommunication, a bad perception out there. I am not justifying their treatment as of now because I have not started talking about them. I have not even talked about a good leader and a bad leader abhi tak, because I will be making my live series where a few good chief engineers change my life and a few second engineers change my life for good, and a few chief engineers, second engineers, captains change my life for much better because they told me what not to do. This boy over here is telling me, sir, there are some good people who do not shout at me, explain me calmly. They are good leaders. They are going to become good leaders. That is good for the engine room. And he is telling me there are few people, those who shout, humiliate. उनके पास कुछ नहीं है करने के लिए बॉस, वो ये करेंगे. They are example of bad leaders, bad competency. But again, can I change them as of now? No. Can you change them as of now? No, sir, you are a bad leader, change yourself. No. The only thing that you can change is yourself, your perception and your condition. So I am working on you. When I say whole world is good and I am bad, I want to say अगर कोई सामने वाला तुम पे चिल्ला रहा है, चीख रहा है, तुम अपने ऊपर दबा के मेहनत करो. तुम अपने आप को बदल सकते हो, दुनिया को नहीं बदल सकते भाई. अभी तुम अपने ऊपर काम करो. Work as hard as possible so that even if you can change this person's perception in a coming period of time, it will be great. Guys, I will be sharing my life experience when I was a fourth engineer, first time on board ship. Fourth engineer, junior engineer तो भूल जाओ. Fourth engineer, first time on board ship, and my chief engineer used to call me. Yes, he used to shout at me. He was very old, and I used to fear from him. Monday to Sunday, no holiday. सुबह 8 बजे आता था, शाम को 5 बजे तक काम करता. Then again 8 to 12, that was a watch keeping ship. I used to do that. No Sundays not so all. He called up company one day after 7 days. किस को भेज दिया जहाज के ऊपर, इसको निकालो यहाँ से. He is not needed over here. कंपनी थोड़ी हमारा कैसे रखना पड़ेगा. And that is how I survived over there. So don't even think that I do not know what mental harassment is. Don't even think that I do not know what bad leadership is. Don't even think that I do not know what good leaders can do in your life, because that is where my life series will come, where a chief engineer called Pankaj Kumar changed my life towards manuals. But out here, in all these people, where you find good people, where you find bad people, there is one thing common, and that is you yourself. There is one thing common, and only thing is that you can work on yourself. Now you can't go and tell chief engineer, sir, we can work on leadership skills, read this book, sir. Sir, you are not a good leader. Can you do that? No, it won't work. And वो सामने वाला नहीं सीखना चाहता, नहीं सीखेगा. But you can work on yourself, how to deal with those people. And remember, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. You can't quit, you can't give up. You just keep fighting, you just keep slogging and give the best that you can. Yes, you will find people who will not shout at you, and you will find people who will shout at you. But make sure that those people are not those people who are shouting at you, tomorrow even they say, yaar, this is a good guy. It might take 1 month, it might take 2 months, it might take 3 months, it might take 6 months. But perception changes only and only with the hard work, dedication. That's for sure. And I believe that honestly. If you are struggling, you have full right to disagree with me. Nahi sir, aap galat ho. But if you really believe in me and trust me, then guys, I have faced all those harassments that you are talking about, and I am being honest out there. एक ही common thread in all those harassments, and that is you yourself. Last but not the least, my request to you is, today you are telling me, sir, chief engineer, example दे रहा हूँ किससे, chief engineer shouting at me. Remember that chief engineer, when he was a junior engineer, he was being shouted at himself. And that time he was thinking, arey, when I will become a chief engineer, I will not shout at others. But today he is doing the same thing. So that is example of a poor leadership. And sadly, even today in our merchant navy fraternity, we do not talk about this much. Again, time will come यार. अभी तो मुझे आपकी दशा को बदलना है. अपनी see, things change when my mindset changed. So I have to work on your mindset, not everybody else's. A time will come when I will be addressing these people with my own stories. Maybe a few perceptions might change, but it will take a long time. But those people who are in connection with me for a long period, those who are in touch with me for years right now, for 1 year, 6 months, 8 months, at least you need to trust that this person has seen a lot on board ship for the last 14 years, and he will not promote anything which is not right. Right? So please, Jai Mata Di. Again, we can agree to disagree, but I honestly believe, आप अपनी दशा, your condition is your responsibility. Only your actions can improve your condition, nobody else's. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.